Hello, my name is Angela Carmen. Today is December 2nd, 2017, and I will be discussing doing a few exercises and showing how to reach the tidal volume. So I've already previously done 3 trials, and then I'll walk through those with you, and then I will go over the values that I came up with. So first, we're going to be measuring my respiratory values at rest, and I'm going to grab my phone here so I can use it to calculate my numbers of respirations, which is inhaling and exhaling within a 30-second period. So let me go ahead and set that up on my phone, my stopwatch. All right, so I'm going to set this here for 30 seconds. I'm going to count the number of breaths that I take. Okay, so that was the first 30 seconds, and I got 9 respirations, which is going to be inhalation and exhalation. And now I'm going to measure the circumference of a balloon without taking a deep breath. I'm just going to breathe like regular and then blow up the balloon as much as I can. All right, so now I'm going to measure the circumference of the balloon. I'm going to use my laptop here to give it like a flat surface. I'm going to twist it so none of the air gets out. I'm going to measure in centimeters. Making sure to stay right in the middle. Okay, so I have 44 centimeters. So I plugged in, if you come take a look here at my values, I did do 3 trials previously. So in the beginning when I did the breaths, I had 8, 9, and 8, and the average came out to 8.3. And then with the circumference, I first had 46, 47, and 44, and that average came out to 45.7. So I used the calculations in order to find my average radius at rest, and in order to do that, I used the formula. And it was going to be the circumference divided by 2 pi. So I plugged in those numbers, and excuse me. Okay, so then I got 7.3. And then I was looking for my tidal volume at rest, and that was a much bigger number. So in order to reach my tidal volume, I had to do 4 pi times the radius to the 3rd power, and then divide that by 3. So what I did was I did the pi times the 4, my radius, which was the 7.2 to the 3rd power, was a big number, like 390 something. And then I plugged that into the calculator, divided that by 3, and I got 1,629.5. And then the minute ventilation at rest was another equation that I used. And I multiplied the tidal volume at rest by the average number of breaths that I was able to take per minute. And then I divided that by 1,000. So my average number of breaths was 8.3 again. And then at that point, I got the value of 27.2. So I did this a total of 3 times for 3 trials. I just counted my breath, respiration, inspiration, and expiration for 30 seconds, completely at rest, and then I blew up the balloon without taking any deep breaths, just at rest to get the circumference of how big I could blow it up. My average came out to 45.7, and then I used my calculations in order to plug in the values to get my tidal volume at rest in milliliters. So again, my name is Angela Carmen. Thank you for watching.